What's up guys, Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and today we are going to be installing the XForce Exhaust on the Kia Forte GT. So if you own a Kia Forte GT and you've been in the market for a catback exhaust, chances are you've heard of the XForce system. Now what really separates this system from any other typical catback on the market is the Varex muffler. What is the Varex muffler, you ask? Well, it is a valved muffler which at a flip of a switch, you can go from mild to wild. Alright guys, that's going to about wrap up this video. We want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button. If you want to see more content just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below.